Hi everybody. Well, I have two pieces of information. Atticus has his halter on because the farrier's coming to trim his hooves today, along with Jorah's, but she doesn't have her halter on yet, but she will in a minute. But yesterday, my little guy here, Atticus, was an escape artist, and he got out. And it was quite a fiasco trying to get him back in, but thank goodness he's back. He needs to quit putting his hoof through the wires of the fence because he stuck his hoof in the middle wire of the fence, and then he ducked out and snuck out. He put his, it was actually this wire. So he broke this wire in the middle, and then he stuck his head over or under the highest wire and his hooves over the smallest wire. And I can tell that he's about to do it again, so I'm going to quit recording and we'll snap over to when it's time for his hooves to be trimmed. Jorah's getting trimmed too, so we got to get her ready. Easy. You guys did a good job. You did a good job. Are you ready for some treats? Huh? Are you fancy? Are you excited? Are you fancy? Don't stick your foot through there. They got their hooves trimmed. Their grain is ready. They did a good job. They're super fancy. Thanks for watching, guys.